In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi turning off automatically on Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if this is happening, it's likely due to the adaptive connectivity feature on Android. This system-level AI tries to save battery by switching to mobile data if it thinks your Wi-Fi signal is low quality. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, then go to connections or network and internet, and then you want to look for adaptive connectivity. Once you go ahead and click on that, toggle it to off because that's not something that you're going to basically want on. And then once you go ahead and do that, this stops the phone from second guessing your Wi-Fi stability to save you power. And then, or if you see a switch to mobile data option, go ahead and turn that off as well, because that's not something you're going to automatically want. And where it says turn on Wi-Fi automatically, toggle it off as well. Now, while that sounds counterintuitive, this settings can sometimes crash the Wi-Fi radio on Android 16 when it tries to scan for high quality saved networks. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.